In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add user and create roles in Zoho CRM. We'll walk through two main things. First, how to add a new user to your Zoho CRM account. And second, how to create a new role so you can control what different people can see and do inside the system. I'll explain what each option means as we go, so you know exactly why you're clicking where you're clicking. Let's start with adding a user. In your Zoho CRM, look for the setup area, which is the gear icon, usually in the top right corner of your screen. Click that gear icon, then under the setup options, go to General and then choose Users. This is the section where you manage everyone who has access to your CRM. On the Users page, look for the option that says New User. Click on that to open the form for adding someone new. Here, you'll need to fill in the basic details: first name, last name, and email. Make sure the email address is correct because this is where Zoho will send the invitation and login details. Next, you'll see options to select a role and a profile for this user. The role usually reflects where the user sits in your organization's hierarchy, like a sales manager or a sales rep, and it affects what records they can see based on who owns them. The profile, on the other hand, controls what permissions they have, such as whether they can edit records, delete them, or just view them. Take a moment to choose the appropriate role and profile so their access matches their job. Once everything looks good, click Save. Zoho will send an invite to that email, and your new user will be able to join. Now, let's create a role. Again, click the Setup Gear icon. This time, go to Security Control, and then select Roles. This is where you define your organization's structure inside Zoho CRM. On the Roles page, click on New Role. A form will appear asking for a role name. Enter a clear, descriptive name so you and your team immediately understand what this role is for. Then, you'll see an option called Reports To. This lets you choose which existing role this new one reports to, building out your hierarchy. Pick the appropriate parent role so your data visibility matches your real-world reporting structure. When you're done, click Save. You've now learned how to add a user and how to create a role in Zoho CRM.